Under the Company Details section in Settings, click the Edit button to add a support email for your company. Turn on the support email and enter your company's support email address. This is the address where your customers or users will send messages. Now go to your support email address inbox and verify the email address by clicking the Activate Email button. Go back to Support Email Address inbox, navigate to the Settings page of the mailbox and find the Forwarding settings. Turn on Email Forwarding and enter the following email address for forwarding and save the changes: postmaster@mail.zervise.com. Now I will send an email to the support email address as in customer of the company. The email is sent. I can come back to the agent account in Zervise and refresh the ticket page to see the latest tickets. Zervise has automatically created a ticket from the customer's email on behalf of that customer/user. Zervise will also trigger an automated reply on behalf of your company to the customer/user's email address to acknowledge the receipt of the email.